Here you go, guys. It's like, I think this is like 3 liters. 3 liters of botanical herbal herbs infusion in a cold compressed olive oil. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon. So today, I'm doing blender all the herbs or herbal medicinal plants, and I'm doing sigsig or strainer to get the fine powder from so I'm getting all the fine powder, guys, and then the fine powder I'm gonna use it to make it bar soap. And then this one, it gonna goes here because I'm gonna do the infusion to the olive oil. So I'm gonna do infusion to the olive oil. This gonna be infused for 3 to 4 hours on the stove in a warm, very low heat, guys, warm. But you can do that also 4 to 8 weeks infusion in a dark place for like 6 weeks to 8 weeks, 2 months. So I'm gonna try. I'm doing it already. I started already the infusion and this one I'm just gonna put in here because this one it's gonna go infusion for the stove. So this is gonna be the ingredients of bar soap that I'm always make. So I did a lot today because yesterday I got all the, not all, but most of it, most of the ingredients, because I have already here at home the stock. So these are bay leaf, comfrey roots, which is very good for, for helping eczema, the itchy skin or the sensitive skin, and bay leaf, comfrey roots, lemon balm, and mint. I'm gonna add also dandelion roots and dandelion flowers, and also I'm gonna add some hibiscus on it. I'm gonna infuse with olive oil. See guys, it's extra virgin olive oil. So I'm gonna do 3 cups infusion, maybe 4 cups. It's depend to the ingredients that I'm gonna mix in here. So this infusion, I can use this for soap making and lotion making and salve or balm. You know, the balm that you can, when you have itchy skin, you can apply it and it gonna helps to reduce the even the wounds also. So I'm gonna infuse today. It's also chamomile. I'm gonna add chamomile, hibiscus, and everything else. Infusion I started already, guys. I'm just gonna show you. I did this the other day, I think last week. So see guys, I have to shake it every 2 to 3 days. So it's been like 3 days already, guys. It has to be in a glass jar. So we have to shake this. And then I have to cover it again. Excuse me. And then I put it back, or next time I'm just showing it to you guys. I think this one is for the face, the face toner. I have another one for more ingredients. So trying to find, where did I put? I'm gonna find it again. I put on the the very last side of the cabinet. So I'm gonna just show you guys. So this is the different ingredients, herbal ingredients that I infused 3 days ago. So it says you have to shake it, but because so many of them, I don't know how I'm gonna shake it. I don't wanna break the Maybe I'm just gonna do like this, guys. It's not gonna fill up the oil. I put a lot, guys, like, all the ingredients that can help for the itchy skin. So this is some coffee to brighten your skin, calendula, rose, chamomile, what else? So many ingredients, guys. I have the list, more or less 15 kinds of herbal that I put together. There's a hibiscus also on it, and also the herbal that I always boil, guys. And there's dandelion roots, dandelion flowers also, roses, calendula flowers, rose flowers, and what else? It's infused with virgin olive oil. That's the best for the, you know, for healing skin from itchiness or from rashes or whatever, guys. So ayan, na-shake na siya. So okay, it has to be shaken every 3 days, 2 to 3 days. So it's been 3 days already. I started this on December 26 and now it's December 29, so it's 3 days now. I'm gonna put again on a dark, on a black color. So that's how you ferment or infuse. And then this is a camera, is a selfie camera bag. So it's black, which is really good. It's really helpful. So let's put it again in there in a dark area. Now we're gonna do the infusion on the stove. That's the infusion for 6 to 8 weeks, guys. And also this one, this is the face toner. Actually, guys, this is 1 month already. So it's ready to do a strain and get the olive oil, infused olive oil with cloves and coffee, and then apply in the face. See, guys, the face, my face, you can see. This is what I'm using on my face, like 4 times a week or sometimes 3 times a week. I don't use it every day, but look at my face, guys. Oh, see? That's how it makes my face beautiful. So if you really want this, guys, order na. Ready for order. Marami akong ginawa, guys. Ready for you. Dandelion roots. I'm not gonna put the whole thing. Oh, pala ko kutsara. I don't have any more spoon. 2, 3. So this one, guys, I'm gonna use this for my tea. Or maybe I'm just gonna put the whole thing, guys. Yeah, because I can buy dandelion roots. I checked in the store and they have a lot of dandelion roots. So next time, but it's very expensive, guys, the dandelion roots. These dandelion roots that I'm using this time, it's from our garden. I'm gonna add the dandelion flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 maumbok tablespoon of roots, and then 4 tablespoon of dandelion flowers. What else I need to add? I'm still thinking, guys. So I have bay leaf already in that one. I'm not sure if I still have nettle. Oh, so I have nettle leaf. I'm gonna add nettle leaf on it. Kunti lang siya, so I put everything. Lavender also, I'm gonna put the whole thing, the whole lavender. It's good for calming. Bag of hibiscus, I bought this for $100, guys. The whole bag. So this is left because I grind it already for making soap, so making bar soap. So this is the color, and I'm gonna add that to the infusion. I'm gonna blender it before I put in the infusion. So, you know, para mas mabisang makuha lahat ng nutrients. So many, you see guys, my stocks of all different herbs, it's all here. Excuse me guys. Excuse me. And then I have green tea. I'm gonna add green tea as well, guys. Green tea is good for the skin. Either you make a tea or drink. So I'm gonna add here and I'm gonna blend it. Because I want really a powerful salve or balm. I learned, guys, based on research, star anise is antifungal, antibacterial, like clove, because I cannot use clove on this lotion making. So I'm gonna replace with star anise. So I'm gonna make a powder also of this one. It's two types of star anise, guys, for soap making, lotion, and salve making. It says on the research, use only the Chinese star anise, not the Japanese star anise. So two types of star anise. You have to be very careful, guys. You have to do research first before you do it. Not just you're gonna do it. No, you have to do research first. That's what I'm doing. I do research. I'm not a chemist, but I do research. I want my, you know, my balm, my salve, my lotion, and my soap is really powerful for the skin. Because I have problem itchiness also before, but now because of my bar soap, herbal bar soap, it's really good. It's easing the itchiness. So now we have to run again the blender. This one, guys, is enough. So let's put this here. Ang bango. It smells so good because of star anise. And now it's ready for infusion. So again, guys, the ingredients of this is star anise, lemon balm, bay leaf, comfrey roots, dandelion flowers and dandelion roots. What else? Gonna infuse with extra virgin olive oil. What else I add here? It's so many ingredients, guys. It's on my list, so let me check the list. So comfrey roots, sage, sambong in Tagalog, sage in English, sage, lemon balm, bay leaf, chamomile, dandelion roots and flowers. And then I'm gonna add here the hibiscus. So I have to write it down, guys, all the ingredients. Hibiscus. And what else I add? Mint. So I add mint also. You know, the mint, my organic mint in our garden. And what else I add? Hibiscus, mint. So dandelion roots and flowers, it's there already. So this one, when you infuse, guys, it has to be on the bottom of olive oil. So we have to, if you want a measurement, guys, you can do measurement. But since I'm doing this for a few times already, the infusion, so it has to be covered with olive oil when you infuse. So you can do 2 cups to 3 cups. It's depend how much ingredients you gonna put, guys. There you go. So and then we have to put in a low heat, guys. So low heat, the number, it says low heat, guys. So low heat, it's a very low heat. So you see that, guys? It says on the stove low heat. So you have to put in a low heat. Not the medium heat, not the high heat, because you're gonna kill all the nutrients if you're gonna put in a medium heat or high heat. And besides, guys, the olive oil, it shouldn't be boiling because you're gonna lose the nutrients of olive oil if you boil the olive oil. So it has to be low heat when you do the infusion. And it's gonna be 3 to 4 hours infusion in a very low heat stove. Or if you want a long time infusion, do the 6 to 8 weeks infusion like I showed you. I'm using a Salad Master 6 quarts, guys. This is a 6 quarts pot of Salad Master top stove. So that's I always use for cooking, for everything else, even for baking, I use Salad Master. So this is a 6 quart Salad Master cookware. If you are interested to get your very healthy and the best cookware in the world, you can message me through my Facebook or my YouTube account. So it's up to you guys if you want to be healthy. So it's your choice, not mine. This infusion, guys, I'm gonna add the avocado seeds that I powder also. So because that's not a lot. And also I'm gonna add the cardamom powder that I make in the infusion. So because I want to be the lotion and the salve is gonna be powerful. So all these ingredients added. And also the best for life, moringa. It's very expensive also, guys. So my salve, it's gonna be very expensive because of all the ingredients, organic and expensive. See, guys, organic. This 1 pack is worth $18 to $20, guys. And it's not many. It's only a little amount. So, yeah. Hello, guys. Today, I have to, I have to strain the infused ingredients for my salve or balm for eczema and itchy skin that can help to ease the itchiness. It's not a cure because eczema, there's no cure for eczema. It's just to help soften the skin and the irritation makes it feel better. So now, let's do the work and strain it. So I'm using a cheesecloth, guys, and a stainless steel bowl. So let's see the color, guys. It's dark green. So I'm gonna put closer the camera. So this is the color of, it's become dark green, guys. It's like emerald after infusing for 4 hours. So these are calendula flowers, comfrey roots, dandelion roots, and flowers, chamomile, bay leaf, what else? Oregano, and also hibiscus. Let me get the list. So again, I'm gonna repeat all the ingredients: comfrey roots, sage leaves, lemon balm leaves, bay leaf, chamomile, dandelion roots, and flowers, hibiscus, nettle leaves, star anise, oregano, cardamom, avocado seeds, moringa, turmeric, sage, rose flowers, calendula, and mint. So all of these are the ingredients, all I said. So it's gonna be very powerful for the itchy skin, wounds, and eczema. So from this infusion, I can make a bar soap and lotion and salve or balm that you can apply on your skin. So I have to strain it to get all the infused oil. I'm gonna use a glass jar and also the amber color or dark green color of the bottles of olive oil. Work, go back to work. So I double the cheesecloth, not a single one, because I want to get only the juice or the oil. Not the juice, the oil, infused oil. Ay, nako, magiging... So my hands are clean. I washed it twice, so... Grabe, very dark yung color niya, guys. So now we're gonna put here in a bottle. Ang bango. Super, super duper bango, guys. Uh-oh. Tumutulong ang aking kamay. Maliit kasi ang butas ng imbudo ko, guys. Oh, shoot. Ah. So now we have one big bottle. Not very big. I think this one is 1 liter or 1.5. So I'm not sure how many liters this one. I think 1 liter. So we have 1 liter of infused oil. And then I'm gonna peel this also. too bad. Yung basura nito, the rest, after I squeeze, I cannot use for the plants, guys, because it's a lot of oil. So I have to throw it. It's not advisable use the compost with a lot of oil. Very powerful. This is very powerful for itchy skin. Actually, you can use this one. If you want guys to order from me, just the infusion, you can do that. Just message me when you watch my videos. Usually the food waste or the scrap I dried it and I make it organic fertilizer. But since this one a lot of oil, it's not allowed to put in your plants. It's gonna kill your plants. Sayang. Sayang yung tumatapon, guys. Very powerful to sa makakati, sa itchy skin and all the, sa mga sugat, wounds. So, we did already, guys. See, this bottle is 3 kilos. So, now, we fill the half of it in here. So, it's 1.5 kilo of infused plus 1 liters here. So what I did, guys, because I have a lot here on my hands and I feel some itchy here in this part and I apply it already, guys. It's immediate. It's very powerful. And look at my skin after I applying it. See, guys? Oh my God, it's gonna be powerful salve. Wow. And also on my legs, because every time I wear socks, guys, I'm gonna show you. Every time I wear socks, I feel itchy. The garter of my socks. When it goes here, it's itchy. And then I apply this. Immediate effect, guys, on my legs, on my feet. Here, the socks mark. It was itchy and I applied from my hands. And it's gone, the itchiness. It's right away, the effect of my infusion. So it's gonna be powerful. My salve, I might gonna be have next month or before end of January, because I have to order some ingredients to make the salve. The lotion, it might gonna be after February. Look at my face, guys. I haven't washed my face. This is this morning. And I only use my hibiscus bar soap last night. And look at my face, guys. So, see, I haven't used this morning the hibiscus. And look, see? The beautiful effect of my hibiscus papaya dandelion herbal soap, guys. It's so beautiful. You see on my face, guys. Oh my God. I'm always surprised every morning when I wake up. See? I haven't washed my face and I haven't taken a shower. It's so beautiful. Plus, I'm gonna have the salve for eczema. And look at my skin, guys, after I apply the one that mess in my hands. Because I don't want to wash it. I don't want to waste it. So I apply on my body. And it looks good. See, guys? Wow. My infused oil. It's so powerful. It's more than 50 herbal botanical plants in it. Oh, diba? Ang galing. But it's so expensive, all the ingredients, guys. This worth more than $100. This infusion that I make, more or less $200. All the ingredients to compute. So that's, if you want a powerful one, go for expensive one, but make sure that it's really organic. All the ingredients I use for my infusion are all organic. So that's, I can say you guys, it's all organic. So guys, always watch my YouTube videos how to infuse, make soap making. Or you have to watch the infusion. You don't just make a soap because you want it. No, you have to study, research everything, the ingredients you want to use. That's what I'm doing it. Each herbs, I do research first before I mix on my bar soap. That's how I do. Don't just make soap because you like it. No, even you watch the video, you still have to study. You know, a lot of people sharing how they make their bar soap, liquid soap, but they don't share the recipe because they don't want to be copied. But me, I share the recipe because, you know, just in case. But I know for sure people, because, you know, they don't want the expensive one. They always go for a cheaper one. But me, because I'm using it to myself, and you can see the side effect on me. It makes me so beautiful, guys. Look at my skin. It looks like teenager now. I'm so happy with it. It's only 3 days I'm using the hibiscus, guys. Hibiscus with dandelion and papaya. This is the beautiful effect. O, saan ka pa? merlindasopery.com. That's my website if you wanna visit. But I haven't set up the whole soap in there because, you know, busy. So thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe, watch all my YouTube videos, to join the raffle and share it to your social media account. See, if they want to be beautiful like my skin, to be like a teenager, go to my YouTube channel and watch how I become like this. This one, guys, dumikit. I'm not gonna wash it. I'm gonna put this in my body. This is very powerful. Just the infuse is very powerful for all the wounds and eczema, everything in itchy. And it's gone right away. I feel just a little bit itchy on my socks. Apply this infused one and it's so good. This is all the waste from infusion. This is more than 15 kinds of herbs, more or less 20 kind of herbs. So I'm not gonna throw it yet because, you know, sometimes I'm gonna use this on my skin to rub it like a scrub. Because this is very powerful, guys. So I don't wanna waste it. I cannot use this for the plants because of the oil. It's not good if it's too much oil on the plant. Here you go, guys. It's like, I think this is like 3 liters. 3 liters of botanical herbal herbs infusion in a cold compressed olive oil for my bar soap, for my balm, and for my lotion, for beauty products. Look at my skin, diba? Oh, ayan na. This is olive oil, guys. It's become black color. It looks like coffee because of different mixtures of all flowers, herbs, and botanical plants. So, yeah. And it's very powerful for the itchy skin. Oh, my itchy. Because I feel itchy when I haven't do shower, guys. I feel itchy. So, you know. And then I apply it and it's all gone. The itchiness on my skin. I'm so happy. Look at my face. The hibiscus, dandelion, papaya bar soap. O, diba? And I process all the ingredients, guys. I always process. I don't just buy the ingredients. I buy the herbs, the herbal, but it has to be air dry or, you know, like I bought a dandelion online and it was roasted. I put in on a research and it says it's come back to me. It says it's roasted, not good to use for making skin products. I'm gonna show you. Where is the other one? Here it is, guys. The one that I bought online. This, it says organic. This one, dandelion roots. But look at my dandelion roots that I make process. I'm the one who picked this one from our dandelion farm or in our land. So I take a picture and send to the people who are really good for the researcher, and they give me back the answer that the best one to use for skin products is my own hand pick and hand process, not this one. This dandelion from online, guys, even it says organic, it's roasted, it's not good to use for skin products. So this one, it's useless for me. So the one that I pick from our farm, this is the best one to use. This is I use for infusion. This one, I'm gonna use this as a tea. See, guys, the best to use is your own products that you made it from the start, not the one you just buy. See, guys, that's why I always compare. See, that's the big difference. So this one, this is good only for tea that you drink, not this one. This one, this is good for skin products. The one that I made myself, I process myself. So this is the dandelion powder. I make a powder to infuse and to put in a making soap. So this one is useless for skin products. This is only good for drinking. So that's the difference, guys. I'm showing it to you, guys. That's why you always have to do research before you do the things, especially for skincare. You have to make it sure that it's very safe to use it. So this, it says on the research, this one not good to use for skin products. This is the best one to use for skin products, my own processing herbs, not the one that I bought online. So see, guys, I'm very wise and smart. Look at the effect on me. See the smart effect on myself, right?